Huh. I wonder who would leave a perfectly good couch out here. Seriously. Loser. Loser. You suck. Alright, listen. I don't want any trouble. Hey, what do you think you're doing? Drive, man, drive! Alright, I'm just gonna take this nerd's car. Alright, this ought to fix his wagon. What did I just say? Wow, that's not something you see every day, huh? You're a guy in a clone trooper outfit. Goodbye. Well, this is probably going to void that nerd warranty. What do I care? I just need to get that retard back for hitting me. Burrow Daisy, stay right where you are!
Let's go, Sir Nasalot.
See you later, nerd. You can have your trash car back. Eh? Welcome back to Brickville News at 5. As you can see here, there's been a horrible crash on Solomon Boulevard, and we are now getting word that police are on the scene and they are preparing to arrest the passengers inside the vehicle. Now, apparently, this large military-grade SUV crashed into a horse. We'll get more information we'll give you more information as we get it. Back to you in the studio, Boris Aldale. Alright, tow her, let's go. Alright, we're good. It's what he gets. This was a Burrow Daisy Studios production.